Got a lot of sciatic nerve pain? All you want to do is just stretch it, but that can make it worse. So today we're going to be focusing on something called nerve slacking. So what we're going to be doing today is nerve slacking. So nerve stretching is when you're typically just stretching the nerve, doing the traditional exercises. Usually, sometimes that does work, but sometimes if you're stretching it and the nerve is already inflamed, it's actually going to make it worse. So what we're going to be doing is something called nerve slacking. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to take the tension off the nerve. It's really simple. So what you're going to do is you're going to start on your back, and then of course I'm using a ball. You could use pillows. You can use something to kind of alleviate, especially if laying on your back causes a little bit of pain. You could take a pillow. You could also put it underneath. Try doing it on a carpet. You could do it on your bed, something soft. So again, we're going to start by lying down on your back. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your toes, you're going to curl your toes, you're going to point your feet and your toes forward, and then what you're going to do is you're going to turn your ankle inward. So I'm going to do it on my left side, and then again, take some time, especially when doing a nerve stretch, even a nerve slacking. You want to make sure you're keeping the pain out of a 10, a 3 or less, because if it's a little bit more than a 3, you're going to start irritating the nerve, and you're going to end up making it worse. So again, you're going down, you're going to take your toes, curl them, point your foot towards, and then you might notice, especially if you're curling your toes and moving it, you might also start cramping. If that's the case, then start reducing the range of just try curling your toes, see how that works. If that's also causing pain, then just kind of point your feet forward and see how that goes. And then slowly move into it. So if you could curl your toes and move, you could just try that. But if you notice that you are cramping, it could be dehydration, could be the main one. Otherwise, it could also be that your foot might be a little bit weak, so you just have to do a little bit of foot exercises, kind of strengthen up the ankle and the muscles around your feet. So, and anytime there's discomfort, always try to breathe through it. And so the number one thing between pain and discomfort, so you never want to move into pain. You always want to move into, if it's discomfort, it's okay. And pain, you never want to move into. So the main difference between pain and discomfort is pain is you're kind of going into that fetal position. You're holding your breath. You can't really talk. Discomfort, you could kind of still talk through it. You're breathing normally. It's more of just being uncomfortable. So again, go ahead and we're going to be down. So you're going to take your foot, again, curl your toes, foot, ankle in. And then what you're going to do is you're going to just place it on the pillow or on the ball in a comfortable position. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your back and you're going to kind of bend as if your head is going towards your toe. And you might feel a stretch. And then again, just take some deep breaths. So, and just hold it there for 10, 20 seconds. See how you feel. Again, just pay attention to your body. Make sure you're not making a fist or holding your breath. This should be a little bit more comfortable because we're trying to take the tension off the sciatic nerve. So again, just take some deep breaths in. And then what you could do is you could also kind of move as well. So again, whatever's more comfortable, you could kind of add the movement after. You could kind of hold and just hold it there. Take some deep breaths, see how you're feeling, and then you can slowly kind of move across again. So go ahead and give that a try. And if you like this video, go ahead and like it, subscribe it, and we will see you on the next video.